Okay, that we will discuss about construction of parabola through tangent method. Okay, construction of parabola through tangent method. Okay, here we have a question: construct a parabola through tangent method. Okay, construct a parabola through tangent method where the base of the triangle, okay, where the base of, okay, where the base of the triangle is 100 mm and height of the axis, okay, height of the axis, okay, this is axis height is 80 mm, okay, height of the axis 80 mm. We have to construct, okay, we have to construct a parabola through tangent method. Okay, let me explain the procedure to construct tangent method of parabola. Okay, tangent method of parabola. Okay, first of all you have to draw the base of the, okay, first of all you have to draw the base of the triangle. Okay, this is the base, okay, this is the base. Okay, next the height of the axis is 80 mm. Okay, the height, okay, the axis passing through at the middle point of the object. Okay, always axis passing through this middle point of the object. Okay, let me draw, let me find out this axis point. Okay, this is the middle point of the base. Okay, this is the middle point of the base. From the middle point of the base you have to draw 80 mm line. Okay, 80 mm line. This is the height of axis. Okay, this is the height of axis, is the height of axis of a triangle. Okay, let this is AB line. Okay, let this AB. Next you have to draw, you have to join this point to this point. Okay, axis point to this A. Okay, next axis point to let B. Okay, let B, let this point is C. Okay, let this point is C. Okay, here we have A B C. Okay, the height, the base is, okay, the base of the triangle is 100 mm. Okay, the base of the triangle is 100 mm. The next, the height of the axis is 80 mm. Okay, the height of the axis in triangle is 80 mm. Okay, let's divide this AC line and BC line. Okay, let's divide this AC line, BC line into equal parts. Okay, equal parts. Okay, okay, let's divide this baseline into equal parts. Okay, with whatever you want. I'm dividing 8 equal parts. Okay, I'm dividing 8 equal parts. Okay, I'm dividing 8 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and finally 8. Okay, next also divide this AC line into 8 equal parts. Okay, also divide this straight line into 8 equal parts. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and finally 8. Okay, number this equal parts. Okay, you have to numbering this equal parts with inverted, okay, with invert side. Okay, from this side I am numbering this from upward side, 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 and 7 and finally 8. Okay, you have to invert this numbering opposite side. Okay, if I am numbering this side from upward side, you have to numbering this side from downward side. We have 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 and 8 equal parts. We have here, we have 8 equal parts and this side we have 8 equal parts. Okay, you have to numbering this equal parts with invert side. Okay, invertly you have numbering. Okay, I am dividing this, I am numbering this upward side, this side. You have to divide this numbering downward side to this opposite side. Here 1 is upward side, here 1 is downward side. Okay, let me explain to construct, how to construct an ellipse, how to construct a parabola. Okay, sorry, how to construct a parabola through tangent method. Okay, let's, okay, let joint, okay, with the help of your scale or with the help of your drafter. Okay, draw joint 1 1 dash. Okay, joint 1 1 line. Okay, joint 1 1 line. Okay, next joint 2 2 line. Okay, joint 2 2 line. Okay, joint 3 3 line. Okay, joint 3 3 point. Okay, joint 4 4 point. Okay, next joint 5 5. Okay, joint 5 5. Okay, next joint 6 6. Okay, draw a line from 6 to 6. Okay, draw 7 7, joint 7 7 point. Okay, next draw 8 8, draw a line passing through 8 to 8. Okay, this arcs in this 1 1 and 2 2 and 3 3 intersection points is nothing but tangent points of parabola. Okay, tangent points of parabola. From A, okay, from A, draw a curve through this intersection points. Okay, draw a curve through this intersection point. Okay, draw a curve through passing through those arcs intersection points. Okay, okay, observe carefully. From A, draw a curve passing through these straight lines intersection points. That means the intersection points are tangents of parabola. Okay, tangents of parabola. Draw a curve passing through this all intersection points. Okay, okay, this is your required. Okay, this curve is nothing but your required parabola in tangent method. Okay, this is the tangent method of parabola. Okay, this is tangent method of parabola. Okay, tangent method of parabola, tangent method of parabola. Okay, this lines intersection points are the tangent point of this curve. We have to draw curve through this tangent points. That's why this method is called as tangent method. Okay, tangent method of construct a parabola. Okay, this is the procedure to construct a parabola through tangent method. Thank you for watching.